Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna react to funny language memes. Let's get started. Let's see. When I speak my first language. When I speak my second language. When I speak my second language around people who don't understand it. So there is definitely some types of pride involved in learning languages. It's something that we all need as language learners to fight against. But yeah, that was at least accurate. I don't know if it's funny, but at least accurate. Two cats are having a swimming race. One is called 1, 2, 3, the other 1, 2, 3. Which cat won? 1, 2, 3 because 1, 2, 3 cat sick. So for this one you need to know French in order to get it. Because in French you would say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is very different than CAT and SANK, but that was good. I like it. Science, ciencia, or ciencia. I don't know the way that Spanish people pronounce this. It's not German. Yeah, not to Wissenschaften. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Yeah, German is known for being a language that's like very hard. So yeah, I get that. Was ist das? ¿Qué es esto? What is this? Vad are data? What's this? Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce this one. I think this one is Greek. So I would say TNI auto? No? I don't know. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it that it is? Yeah. So there's a lot of unnecessary items in the French language, and their sentence structures are sometimes very ridiculous, like this one. Qu'est-ce que c'est? But it sounds so simple when you're speaking French. You don't even notice it. But anyway. Yes, English can be weird. It can be understood through tough, thorough thought though. Yeah, the TH sound in English is ridiculous because the phonetic changes a lot and in places that are, to me, unnecessary. So this is one of the things that you don't find in Haitian Creole because it's such a phonetic language. So things are not changed according to the words that you're saying. So the sounds don't change. Order said meow. He understands my language. So I feel like that's a meme against or about native speakers. In some places people are so kind that like even one word that you trying to say, like it's like, oh, you're so good. Like people are very encouraging in this sense, so that's good. Daughter, what does gays mean? Well, you know, mom and dad, each other, two men can love each other the same way. What's penetrating gaze? Read me the whole sentence. She stared at him with the penetrating gaze. Oh my gosh. I feel bad for reading. Oh my gosh. This is bad. I'm not gonna, no comment. Okay? No comment. I'm not gonna comment on this. Anyways. How different languages say 97? In Britain, in England, or Britain, 90 plus 7. In Germany, 7 plus 90. In France, 4 by 20 plus 10, 7. That's fairly accurate. I like this. So this is what messes up Haitian Creole when it comes to numbers, because the way we pronounce numbers, the way we say our numbers is totally based on French. And this is very complicated for my students when they are learning Haitian Creole, because it's just ridiculously difficult. Es más difícil el inglés o español? Do, did, done, doing. ¿Sabes? Yo haciendo algo, hacemos. Okay, so it's because in English the verbs are not really conjugated. So you just use all these words that are separate, like will, should, ought to, may, might. All these words that transform the verbs, they are like separate words. But when it comes to Spanish or French, you actually conjugate your verbs. So these are all the things that you need to memorize. But it is fairly easy. This is over exaggerating, like putting them there makes it look like it's difficult, but I don't know. But that's funny. Now you get it. So this was really fun. I think I'm gonna do it again. But this was funny language meme reactions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we are a channel that teaches you Haitian Creole, but we do these fun videos as well. So subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.